early. Yeah. Turn the light on. It's got little robots on it. Luckily, I'm an awesome morning person. For everyone. Tick pod. Put it in. Machine. Set there. Then your Star Wars mug goes there. Say what you want about pod coffee machines. I won't hear a bad word about my one. Because we love a pod machine. Because it's just... the smell. So Harvey's asleep, Sanya's asleep. I got my deadly treadly back on the road. Looks like a nice day to go for a bit of a ride. Okay, just under 6Ks. I haven't cycled for a long time. So yeah, that felt pretty good, but I think I'm gonna head back. It's around 12Ks, it's probably enough for today. I'll try to do a little bit more tomorrow. I'm enjoying cycling again. I'm here by the Kwinana Freeway, you can probably hear that. Alright, just finished cooking dinner. Well, it's in the oven now, as you can see. I made, quite a mess, but I'll tidy that up now before it's ready. I made a massive shepherd's pie. It's oh, you can see. Oh. Anyway, that's gonna be delicious. What's going on in here? Oh, good boy.
Oh, there goes your eye.
Hello, Nacho. Sanya's doing well. She's like a boss all day long. Boom. Harvey's doing well. We had a friend of Sanya's, Nicole, come around today, which is nice. This is where we have his bassinet during the day. So we have him out in the lounge room with us while he sleeps. So he kind of gets used to noise and things. And he's been good. Alright, I gotta do this washing up now. Let's do it. Just quickly, look at this bad boy. That's my new lawnmower. Oh, it's so good. Check this out. It's the lawnmower. Okay? Boom. How easy is that? This is my new binoculars. Not really. This is the best thing about this lawnmower. See that? You ready? Lithium ion, baby. It runs for 1 hour, which is plenty to do the front and the back lawn, and it charges 30 minutes. I've been hanging to tell someone about my new lawnmower. Done. No oil, no petrol, None of this business. Electric, baby. I admit it's not the prettiest looking shepherd's pie. What are you looking at? Just giving me dirty looks. But it's gonna be delicious. Trust me.